going to see about the sowing of seeds. What do you mean by sowing of seeds? It is nothing but spreading or scattering of seeds. It is called as in the soil. Sowing or spreading of seeds in the soil, it is called as sowing of seeds. And this is a very important method to grow a plant. Okay, after ploughing and leveling of soil, this step it should be followed. And this method, if you see, it is an actual process of planting the seeds in the soil. And what type of seeds should be taken means it should we should isolate the healthy plant. To yield a healthy plant, we have to go with the healthy seeds. So selecting the healthy seeds is very important in this preparation process. And the sowing of seeds, it is of three types actually. What are the three types? One is seed drill. First one is seed drill. And the next one, if you see, sowing by hands. And third one, if you see, dibbling. Okay. The three important processes are there in the sowing of seeds. First, if you see seed drill, it is a modern method. Okay, it is a modern method where seed drill equipments are used in the tractor. It will be connected with the tractor. When the tractor start moving in a row wise, if you see this in a cone shaped, it will be like this fixed to the tractor. Okay, cultivator. In this, if you see, so many rows will be there. Seeds are filled in this. Slowly, one by one, the seeds are being dropped in the particular area in an even method. Okay, with the even method and even distribution, even proper row, it will be maintained. So this is called a seed drill, and this is the fastest method of sowing the seeds. So row will be equal, the distance will be equal and will be fast. Okay, and man power will be very less. So machines are used here. Okay, and next if you see sowing of seeds by hands. So what does mean by that means by using the hand. This is an old method actually. This is a modern method. This is an old method we can say. So here human power is needed here. What will happen? They used to scatter the seeds on the soil. Okay, it will be distributed or it will be thrown in the soil. So like a free hand we can say. So this is very less expense and we need a manpower and little bit time it takes. But the uniform distribution won't be there here. Okay. So this is called a sowing by hands. And next one if you see dibbling. Dibbling is nothing but what will happen? By using the cultivator they will make a row. In that slowly the farmer will keep the seeds drop by drop. Okay, planting this area will be it is there means slowly they will start dibbling in the pit or in the row furrow area they will start dropping the seeds with an equal distance. Instead of using this machine, human power will be utilized here. That is the difference here. Clear children? So the next topic we are going to see about the irrigation. What do you mean by irrigation? It is nothing but supplying of water to the crops at regular interval. Okay, for example, if you see for planting of seeds during summer season, if you see morning, afternoon, evening, we used to go for pouring the water for the plants because summer time it will be too dry. The root part will be too dry. So the three time we have to go for pouring the water. Okay, so that is a regular interval of time we can say. So during rainy season, the water is not required. So it depends upon the season also we can say. So supplying of water to the plants at regular interval of time, it is called as irrigation. So supply of water to the plants at regular time or regular interval of time, it is called as irrigation. And this irrigation if you see it is of two methods. One is modern method and another one if you see one more if you see it's a traditional method we can say. Okay, so Modern method, it is nothing but nowadays we are going with a modern technique, modern irrigation only. What do you mean by modern irrigation? There's nothing but it consists of sprinkler irrigation. Next one, drip irrigation. And next one, if you see, furrow irrigation method. Okay. So what do you mean by sprinkler irrigation? Means in a field at the base level, the sprinkler will be kept over, like a tap will be kept over. What will happen? It will start scattering the seeds with a normal flow, like a splashing of water will be done, and this sprinkler will start rotating actually. Okay, so it will twist and it starts spreading the water. So equal distribution of water will be there and less water consumption will be there for the sprinkler irrigation. Sprinkler will be used here. Drip irrigation is nothing but a tube will be there, a black color tube you would have seen. So each and every area you will have a hole. Adjustment hole will be, knob will be there. What will happen? Each and every plant side, this tube will be kept over, and what will happen? Through this hole, the water will be released to the plant directly to the root part. Okay, so this is called as drip irrigation. This is more advanced technology we can say, because water consumption will be more in number than any other thing. Next one, furrow irrigation. It is nothing but, if you see, a step-like process will be kept over. Okay, the arrangement of plants will be like a step-like process. What will happen from top? If they pour the water, if they spread the water will be evenly distributed like a layer by layer. That is called as furrow irrigation. But in your topic, you have only these two. Clear? Next, traditional. Traditional or nothing but, what is the traditional? It is nothing but like using fetching the water in the well. That is traditional. And well will be there. It will be hanged by a well rope. Ox, one end it will be tied with the ox. It will be moving to and fro. The another end of the rope will be tied with a bucket and it will be fetching the water. So that is called as traditional method. So here manpower is used. Here modern techniques are being used. That is the difference between these two. Clear, children? Next, the question part. Explain in detail about the sowing of seeds. So you want to explain about sowing of seeds and its types. Clear? And next, about the irrigation, you are going to explain methods as well as its types. You are going to explain in detail. Clear, children? Thank you.